I'm astroaddyyy, and this is my first video on YouTube. So, insert applause. I am going to try and show you guys how I refresh my hair after a few days. It has been 4 days. I haven't done anything, very low manipulation. I put it up into a bun, and now I would like to wear it down, but I've got frizz and some mo going on. So I'm gonna touch it up and I'm gonna show you guys how. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Alright, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out my hair tie, obviously. I don't know why I'm showing you guys this, because everybody should know how to take out their own hair tie. Okay, so now that my hair is out, it's doing these things. The first thing I like to do is I like to take a little bit of oil in through my scalp and work it through. Right now I'm into this Curls Blueberry Bliss hair growth oil. So I'm gonna take some of that on my fingers and I'm gonna work it into the scalp. I normally go front first, and then I'll take some oil. I don't know why I closed it. And then I'll go back and try and get the sides. And I'll take one more round and get the, like, definitely get the sides, and then try and get into this middle crown part. Alright, and I like to take a little on the front, and I don't know why, but I think it's to, I don't know, whatever's left over, I take it there. So then the next thing I do is I'm going to come in with some water. This is a fine mister. I got this from Amazon, so it, like, see if I can show you without, very fine mist. And I take it, see if you guys can see, and I just do, yep, like that. Try and get really good in the back, because that's usually where my hair is the driest, especially these little curly poofs. They need love too. Alright, and once my hair, so I do that, I kind of like scrunch it in and like work it through, see if there's any spots that need a little bit more moisture. So I think I'm just gonna take a little bit more onto the ends, and then that'll be it. Alright, I take it up on the top of my head like a pineapple and just like pull the moisture to the ends and kind of work it into these coils. And then you see it's like, it's not like soaking wet, it's literally just barely damp. Now the next step I like to do is, because my hair is getting kind of longer, I like to split it down the middle before I start putting actual products in. So I'm gonna try and, like, I like to roughly split it because I don't want it to be, I don't want to have a part down the back of my head, but I need to, you know, divide and conquer, I guess. Alright, the next product I'm gonna take is this Lavish Curls Moisturizer. It's called Second Curl Refresher / Daily Leave-In, so you can use it every day. I don't like to put a lot of stuff in my hair every single day, and I also don't like to apply this straight to my head, like, because it comes out in like a, I don't know, like a You see that? I can't just spray that into my head. So I normally do a few pumps, get a full palm. Yes. And then work that in to each half. Get the ends, make sure they get nice and moisturized. And as you can see, doing all this is kind of stretching the hair out, so it looks a little bit longer as well. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some casualties. I'm going to go and do the other side. And then I think I'm going to go back in with the same product on both sides. Alright, now that I have worked all of that product in, I'm going to go in with the Dr. Miracle's Daily Moisturizing Lotion. So I take about that much per half. And now rub it in. And then focus kind of on the crown of my head because that's where I get the most dryness. And then work it through to the ends. And I'll kind of like a little bit finger detangle while I do this. Just because some curls get kind of knotty on each other. Also, if you don't know, curly hair does not have the same luxury straight hair does. And our hair falls out and then it'll just be chilling in there, hanging out, waiting for you to do something with it. So I'm going to do the other side. And last step, but not least, I'm going to take this Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair Extra Hold Edge Stay Gel. I'm going to like lay my edges down a little bit. First thing I like to do is take a little bit of water. So I'm just going to spritz my hand and do it because I feel like it gives me better control. You see how they're already starting to kind of do what I want, but they won't stay. Like, especially like I have a lot of these little curly curls in the front. They are stubborn. So what I do is I take a little bit, rub it between my fingers to kind of warm it up, and then just take it and kind of swoop it the direction that I want it to go, and then do these ones just straight back because this is all new to me. I just started using edge control recently. And then I like to tuck this little bit behind my ear. So we've got that. So now the other side. And just take the rest and brush these ones back. All right. And that is done. So I'm just gonna let it air dry. I think what I'm gonna do, because I have to rush out the door, is I'm gonna take some pictures once it's fully dry, like later tonight, and I'll post those like, and it probably won't be that many, so it'll probably be like dry. Thank you guys for watching, if anybody actually watches this, and I don't know, like and comment on it if you have any questions, suggestions. I'm gonna be doing videos in cooking, plant-based mostly. Like I'll probably do maybe a few nail art things, some makeup tutorials. Right now, got very simple eyeliner on, but I dabble. I dabble in makeup. So subscribe if you're into that. If you're not, hey, I'm glad you watched though. So thank you. And have a wonderful day, night, evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you are.